What's the meaning of baby boomer? Baby boomer. Baby boomer.
Baby boomer. Baby boomer. The term baby boomer refers to individuals born between 1946 and 1964, following the end of World War II. This generation experienced a significant increase in birth rates, leading to a larger population than previous generations. Baby boomers have had a profound impact on society, politics, and the economy, shaping many aspects of modern life. They are often associated with values such as hard work, consumerism, and social change. Baby boomers are now reaching retirement age, which presents new challenges for society as they face issues related to healthcare, pensions, and aging.